Hello beautiful people, hello gorgeous people, how are you doing today? I hope you're fine. Welcome to Trendy Fashion and Style TV. If you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do well to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Give this video a thumbs up and also stay tuned to all our other videos. And to all our returning subscribers, we say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for coming back to watch our videos. Today we have lovely styles for you that will make you look classy, that will make you look smart. I have lovely tops for you and you're going to love them. You're going to love the styles on this video. Feel free to share this video with your friends and loved ones so that they can also come and pick lovely styles that will make them look smart. These styles will make you look beautiful, these styles will make you look smart, these styles will make you look attractive. And it will fit all sizes. If you're short, if you're tall, if you're fat, if you're slim, these styles, these top styles are going to fit you. So if you're looking for how to dress, to look smart, to look classy, pick your styles here and also give us a thumbs up. All credit goes to the amazing designers behind these lovely dresses you're watching on this channel. Thanks for your beautiful works. They're beautiful. Yeah, they are really beautiful. Look at this black one with the red design. Look at the white one. You know, these styles are beautiful. So whichever color you want, green, gray, whichever color you want, they are all in this video. So feel free to screenshot the styles you love and give us a thumbs up. Share it to your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching. I would love to see you in the next video. Bye.